Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to enable the SST, the tax setting in FeedMe. Thank you.
New portal, click on here and click on switch to all portal. Then go to restaurant and select on your outlet that apply SST. Click update profile and fill in your SST number. After that, just click save. Then back to business. Then go to menu and go to product. Make sure all of your item has select as included the SST or service charge 6%. If that service or item that didn't apply SST, you can click here to exempt it from the SST. So most of the item will include SST. After that, just click save. Then go to the catalog. Select on the catalog that apply in your restaurant. Click on it. So if your tax, the SST is exclusive, then just turn it off. If it is inclusive, just turn it on. So I'll show you the exclusive setting first. After that, just click update. Then go to publish and publish your menu. In your order, it will show like this. So your fish and chip is 18.60 ringgit with exclusive of SST, which is 1.12 ringgit. So total will 19.70 ringgit. If your catalog is inclusive with SST, then just click update. Then it will show like this in your post device. So if you're taking order, then your fish and chip, the price is 18.60 ringgit, but inside the 18.60 ringgit is already included the SST, which is 1.05 ringgit. So the total payment still is 18.60 ringgit. Tax calculation, if you switch to automatic, which means that all of the price will exclusive, but for the order in delivery company will automatically become the tax inclusive, unless you have another catalog only for your delivery company. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari post system, cari Seng.
Find Guinness Post, find Seng.
Seng.
找post system, 找Seng.